Hello everyone, I am Deborah and welcome to my channel. Instead of doing a get ready with me, I am inviting you to get well with me because y'all, I am not going anywhere today. And today it is going to be a get well with me curly hair edition coming up next. Hello again. It is Saturday morning, and as part of my Saturday morning ritual and routine, I get into this natural hair to make sure that I keep it as healthy as possible. Now, for those of you that have never visited my first channel, I've got something to say. You would know if you had that I love my coffee. So this is also part of my Saturday morning routine. Also, about a week ago, I posted another video regarding this natural hair, letting you know about some of the challenges that I have had with it over the past, I would say, seven and a half years after returning to natural. And if you've not yet seen that video, I am going to post a link to it in the card above and also in the description below. But today's video is all about deep conditioning with a DIY mask that I put together. Exactly what I mentioned in the first video last week. One of the things that I have found to be a star in my natural hair regimen is avocado. And today I am going to share with you how I applied this particular product. So as you can see here, or maybe you don't know, but this hair has already been washed and ready to receive this product. So the first thing I'm going to do is share with you guys what I've actually used to wash this hair. One of the things that I've been finding that I love is this Mielle Organics exfoliating shampoo. Y'all, this stuff is amazing. It only takes a little to really lather up this hair. It does deep cleanse without stripping your hair. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Another thing that I find is beneficial to me as well, just to make sure that I get the product build up out of my hair and to make sure that I have a clean, healthy scalp, is I will use apple cider vinegar, 1 part to 2 parts of water. And what I do is if I put it in the spray bottle right here, and after I wash my hair and rinse it, I will just saturate my hair with this, leave it on for a couple minutes, and then rinse this out as well. And what it does is, again, it just really thoroughly cleanses my scalp. So now I have a really good platform upon which my hair can thrive. And another thing that I have is my spray mister bottle. So anytime my hair feels like it's a little bit dry, as it's probably getting that way right now because I'm filming, I will just give it a gentle mist. And I just keep it going. And y'all, what I put in here is I've got water, I have aloe vera juice, and I've got some lavender and rosemary essential oils. And this stuff smells amazing. And all of those ingredients are so good for your hair. And lastly, before I get into the star of this video, my microfiber towel. Gotta have one of these because what it does is it prevents your hair from getting zapped of its moisture and keeps your hair tangle free. All right, now guys, for the star of this show. As I mentioned before, I have had some challenges and battles with this natural hair, trying to come up with the best products for me to make sure that I have healthy hair and that I can achieve growth. And one of the things that I found recently is that avocado as well as aloe vera have been so beneficial and nourishing to my hair. And what I am going to show you today is a mixture of those ingredients along with some other essential oils such as the peppermint and rosemary oil and lavender. And also I've got some coconut oil in here. And what I did is I mixed that together and then I mixed it in with one of my favorite deep conditioning masks. And this is the end result. You guys see that? This stuff is so amazing. you can see that. So what I'm going to do is I am going to off camera apply this to my hair, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, everyone, as you could tell from the previous clips, what I did is I applied the product from roots to tip, concentrating on those ends, ladies, because you already know those ends are the oldest part of your hair and they have a tendency to dry out the fastest, particularly the tighter the curl pattern. And then I don't know if you can tell, my curl pattern is extremely tight. So after that, I put on this Saran wrap to keep that moisture in and lock it in. And I am not going to sit under the dryer today because I've got some other things to do about the house. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to put on this microfiber towel right here. I'm gonna put this on to keep some of that heat in so that this product can thoroughly penetrate these hair follicles. And what I intend to do is to keep this on probably for about an hour or so. And again, this is all dependent upon your hair needs. You can lengthen it if you need to, or shorten it. Again, depending on your own personal needs. But because I am in the rebuilding process, as far as my hair is concerned, I am definitely going to leave it on for about an hour. And another thing that I want to share with you guys, just to testify as far as how amazing this product is, I was experiencing some shedding. And when I was finger raking this product through my hair, this is how much hair I lost. That was it. So I am definitely on the path to healthy hair, and hopefully I can get some increased growth. So again, 1 hour, I'm going to rinse it off, and then I will be right back with you. Okay, everyone, I'm back. It's been about an hour, and I am getting ready to rinse this deep conditioning mask off my hair. And I just wanted to give you a peek at what it looks like before I do so. And guys, take a look at that. Look at those curls. It's shiny, it is moisturized, and it feels so, so good. All right, guys, let me go ahead and rinse this out, and I will be right back with you. Hello, everyone, I am back. I have washed the deep conditioner out of my hair, and it's time to let you all see the results. All right, guys, take a look at that. This is clean, healthy, conditioned, moisturized hair. And the only thing that I have in my hair right now is some coconut oil. What I like to do that I've been finding recently has been working for me is after I rinse out the conditioner, I will do like an oil rinse. And that's exactly what I did here, just to seal in that moisture. And as you can see, I have definitely accomplished that. So I'm not sure right now what type of styling products I'm going to put in today, but I do know because I've been on the protective style path, I will definitely be putting it up in some type of bun just again to keep this hair protected. So, very good. Guys, thank you so very much for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you did in fact get some tips from it. But once again, you have got to try this avocado because it is an amazing natural product. And again, you can use it by itself, put some other oils in it, or put together your own mixture and then mix it together with your favorite deep conditioner. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, I would love if you do so by pressing that subscribe button below. Don't forget to press that notification bell. Please do give this video a thumbs up and please do share. And remain healthy, safe, and encouraged. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, and keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon on my next I've Got Something to Say. Thank you so much.